Hello everyone, today I will show you how to unsuspend X or Twitter account, and here's how it is done. Start by opening any web browser and typing Help Center Twitter into the search bar. Click on the Contact Us link to go to the Twitter Help Center. Once you are on the Help Center page, select a topic and then choose Lock and Suspended Account Issues. Next, click on Appeal a lock or suspended account. On the next page, you'll see a section asking you to log out. Tap on the highlighted Please Log Out link. Here, you can enter your phone number, username, or email address. Click Next, then enter your password and log in. After logging in, you'll see an option to reactivate your account. Just click Yes, reactivate, and that's it. That is everything you need to know about how to unsuspend X Twitter account on X or Twitter. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.